Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the taco fish in Fish It, which you need this to unlock the rod skin, the taco rod skin in this latest update. So first, let's talk about where to find it. Taco fish can only be caught on the classic island. This taco, and you can only fish it during a special event that called raining tacos, just like this. Now in my server it's raining tacos like this. This one it will boost 100% luck. And when this event is active, tacos will literally start falling from the sky like this, and that's your signal to start fishing. And then this raining taco is part of the natural disaster event, which happens every 2 hours. But here's the catch, it's random, so even if the event starts, there's no guarantee it will be raining tacos like that. It will be random, and luckily there's an easier way. You can actually activate the raining taco yourself. Just head over to this yellow machine at the classic island, and then just tap on raining tacos like this, and in here you can just activate it with 5,000 ticks. So in this way you don't have to wait or rely on luck. And once the raining taco is active, all you need to do is fish like usual, and then just keep going until you finally catch this taco fish. It might take a few tries, but it's definitely worth it. And okay, that's it. That's how you can get the taco fish in Fish It. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.